Hello friends, in this video we'll see how we can add a bridge here. Okay, right now you see it's just wrapped on the existing surface, whatever it be grounds or the the top of the river surface, it's just wrapped over it. So in the previous video we have already seen it's very easy to convert a planning road, the default planning road into the component road. Okay, so you right click, select it and right click and then convert to component road so that we can perform edits and the bridges can be added to the it. Okay, so we convert to component road. Okay, and we say okay. Okay, so now you see it has been converted and you will see there's some change. Okay, now it's no longer wraps to the surface. It's there is some changes. However, you will see now there are grips, so you can easily manipulate the level here. Okay, so this one, but this is not the exact method to do it. Here also you will see these different types of grips, and they are all for certain purpose. You see, right now we can grab and just move along to edit the curve. Okay, this is, but this one here will move the location of it, pi points. Okay. Okay, and further, what you can do is we can just we cannot edit the station. You see, it's we can edit this one, a station of the curve, but not the station of the like start points or others. Let's now so these are the way you can drag it and edit it like that. Okay, or directly change the station and elevation for the curve. Okay, and the value of the elevation directly. But better way is, and you can even change the k values from here. But I think the better way is if you display the profile. Okay, like this. If you go to the profile view as we have seen earlier, and here let me completely split to view. Okay, now what you can do is we can directly from here. I can just grab it and move it upwards. Okay, like grab it and move it upwards to match this particular animation. And you see right now as I edit it, this one is not regenerating. Okay, you see this one, the profile has been changed, but this one is regenerating as we have already turned on delayed regeneration option. Okay, so like this I have put it. Let me grab this a little bit more. Okay, okay, it looks like fine. You can even remove these curves. We don't need these curves on the bridge. Okay, so remove it. Don't need vertical curve on the bridge. It's better if we don't have a curve. And let me just remove this PBI also. Now it's straight. Okay, so now it's fine. Okay, now this one is fine. Then we close it and now click on the screen and it will regenerate. So okay, so once you click on the screen, it got regenerated. Okay, okay. So you see now it no longer is wrapping through the existing surface. So in this case, now what I'm gonna do is let me just remove this existing road, the planning road that we have by default. Just remove it, and I want to increase this bridge part a little bit. As you are in the layout view, you see right now we have a different kind of rectangular grip. Okay, as you hover over it, it will highlight into the red, the black one. And if you just rotate it, it changes into another grip. This one, the vertical grip. If you can drag it upwards. Okay. So what I want to right now is just I will just grab this black dot and then the grip and then move it further. Okay. And see right now you'll notice there is an orange dot just below your cursor, which indicates this hasn't been regenerated yet. If I click somewhere on the screen, it will be regenerated. Okay. So before that, I'll just perform another edit. I just grabbed another end and I just drag it a little bit. Okay, now I have dragged both parts to a certain level. Later we will add more road to it, and I will just click anywhere on the screen. I'll just click here, and now it regenerates. Okay, very cool. Now let's add our bridge to it. Okay, so it's very easy and a straightforward process in this Infraworks. We go to the create option here, and in the structure part here, we have a bridge component. So just add a bridge. Just click on a bridge, and you see now this one is highlighted. Okay, to select a road, it is saying we only have this road. Okay, so we just select it. Okay, and now it will start asking you where to put this bridge. Where is the start point of the bridge? Okay, where you want to start. Okay, so you see it starts showing you station, length, and end station also. You can either enter a starting station. You already know the station, then you can enter starting station, so that it's easier to control. Like maybe I say this one is 73, so I will maybe say maybe 71. Okay, 71. I put it. Now I tab. I don't know the length yet, so I just drag over This one is a start point. So just let me put 71 first. We can edit this later also. So what I do is just just click on here at the start point somewhere, and then just drag through and click at the end point. I'm just clicking this right now arbitrarily. Later we can edit it. Okay, so let's click it. When 2 points are clicked, it will start regenerating with a default bridge. We haven't changed it yet. Okay, so we don't have any change associated with it. So it will just add a default bridge here. You see now it's appearing. Other parts are appearing slowly, maybe because we set for the speed, so that's why it's a bit slow. Okay, so you see it has added every component of the bridge. You see right now. Okay, so these components has been added: the pier, cap, pier, even you can see if you zoom a little bit more, you can see the sorry, you can even see the bearings here. Okay, you can even see the bearing. So it's pretty much detailed. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, what we can do is for this bridge, each component we can customize. So from Revit or Inventor. Okay. So right now we'll just focus on the options that we have available here. So let's see how we can, if you just appear, this peer is available. Okay. So we can even change the peer like this. We can say select this type. So this Astro being this type of peer, this type of peer. We have few types. So we just select the first one. I think let's see, the one that we have here. Yeah. So we can even change this one to another one. Let's say we can say enhance the standard peer. I will just change it to show you a difference like hammerhead peer. Okay. So let's change it, and you see others are same, but this one has been changed. So you can edit it individually also. Okay. And if you see down, if you just rotate it, you will see the we have already a corresponding default piles associated with those peers, foundation peers are. So if I just click on that, I can even edit that individually and select from the options available. Okay, so let me like this. Okay, so you see the difference, how it's very easy to edit. Now when you are selected, we have selected a particular component of the bridge, you can even rotate it or move it. Okay. Another thing that you will notice is whenever we have selected a component of bridge, you will get these options like to rotate. You can rotate it also, you see, right? We can directly rotate it like that. Okay. And you can move along like that, you see. But how this component does not make sense. Okay. So I will just go back but I'm just showing what we can do it with this. Let me uh, okay, so and we go undo this, so it's there. Okay, and it should be aligned perfectly. And what you can do is you can even apply to, if you just right click and then right click on it, then you can apply to all peer foundations also. Okay, so let me show you that as well. It's like this. Okay, and I can right click and say apply to all peer foundation, and all are changed to the same. Okay, so you can actually do quite a few settings, few changes with the default option as well. So if you have the suitable ones, if you are going to use these in your particular bridge, if these are the ones that you wanted to use for your bridges. Now you see, as I have selected this particular piles option, what options we have available here. So for piles, you see count. If you can count, there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 rows. You can reduce it or increase it. I will say 2 rows. Okay, so 23 became, I think it's 2 rows. Okay. Oh, sorry, it became 200 something. Just delete these two. Okay, I just put 2. Okay, and hit enter. Now it has 2 rows. Okay, okay. So count in reverse, and you see the spacing ratio. So you want it to be like, maybe I want just 2. Okay, and this one also I want to be 2. Enter. Not do this. Let's not do this now. Let's not do this. Okay, so you can increase or decrease all those settings. Okay, from here. Even you can change the volume, materials, and other things. We will see later in the detail regarding this stuff. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. And later if we will see how we can analyze this bridge. We can perform actually 2 type of analysis that we will see in later video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great time.